Good morning, everyone. Myself, I'm Dashwan. Today, I'm presenting my project, Support Sphere AI. And it is an AI autonomous multi-agent customer support platform. The goal of this project is to build a customer support system that goes beyond a traditional chatbot. What we see in a traditional chatbot, every customer query is usually sent to the same AI model, regardless of whether the problem is related to billing, technical support, order tracking, complaints, or any company policies. But what supports Sphere AI makes takes a different approach. It uses multi-agent architecture, where a supervisor first understands the customer's request and then routes into a specialized AI agent. The system also uses RAG-based system, RAG, and also to retrieve information from a company knowledge base before generating an answer. Finally, then response are streamed to the user in real time using the WebSockets. The main idea behind this project is to combine intelligent routing, special AI agents, knowledge retrieval, real-time communication, and a modern support interface to the complete system. And next, for example, a customer might ask, how can I reset my password? Like another customer might ask, why was I charged twice? Like another, where is my order? These queries belong to a different domain but require different types of responses. A single general purpose chatbot can answer many of these questions, but system becomes larger, maintaining domain specific instructions, business rules, knowledge, and escalation workflows become different, and these are difficult. There's also an important problem we have faced. Customer support responses often need to follow company specific policies. For example, refund periods, warranty conditions, shipping SLAs, account recovery procedures, and etc. These are problems that support AI is designed to address. For this support Sphere AI, I have designed it like a when a customer sends a message, the request first reaches the backend through fast API. Then the supervisor layer then analyzes the query and determines its intent. Based on the detected intent, the supervisor routes the request to one of the specialized agents. These agents are like technical agent, billing agent, order tracking agent, FAQ agent, complaint agent, and escalation agent. When a when company specific information is required, the selected agent can use the RAG knowledge engine and provide answers. The knowledge engine retrieves relevant information from the FAISS vector database. The, that retrieved information is then provided as a context to the Gemini language model. The overall flow of the project is first the customer sends a message, then the supervisor analyzes it, and the specialist agent is connected. Then the RAG-based system, then the Gemini, then the response, then the WebSocket, and the customer again. The front end is built using the React and TypeScript. It communicates with the backend using the REST APIs and the WebSockets. The backend is implemented using Fast API. This main gateway and handling authentication, API requests, and database communication. Once a customer query reaches the AI layer, it is passed to the supervisor. The supervisor contains the intent classification and forms the routing magic. Then the response layer sends a result to the backend and again and again and again. It goes through the specific model and based on the complaints. The next is the agent page. One of the core components of Sphere AI, it is a multi-agent system. The first agent is technical agent. It handles technical and account-related problems such as passwords recovery, MFA-related issues, hardware faults, and connectivity problems. The second is the billing agent. It handles payment-related problems, refunds, duplicate transactions, etc. The third one is the order tracking agent. It focuses on logistics and delivery related problems such as information, delivery timelines, and SLAs. The fourth is a FAQ agent. The agent handles general company information such as operating hours, return guidelines, warranty clauses, and product information. The fifth is the complaint agent. This agent focuses on customer frustration detection and de-escalation. The purpose is not simply to answer a question, but also understand when the customer is frustrated and adapt the response accordingly. The sixth agent is an escalation agent. When an issue is cannot be safely or confidently solved by AI, the system can prepare a structured handoff for human tier to support, like getting the support from manually from the shop 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 or a mart. This allows the systems to combine automation, human intervention rather than to automate everything. As you can see in the dashboard, you can see here the AI agents, all the AI agents, the technical agent, billing agent, order tracking agent, FAQ agent, human escalation agent, complaint agent, and etc. These are the agents. And the next one is intent routing. Here, I specifically mentioned like this. Instead of making an arbitrary decision, I wanted to be content-aware architecture, which provides a mechanism or clarification of an AI agent and etc. like that. Then the live demonstration, I'll show you the how this how this is transferred like that. This is a workspace. Here we can implement like ask about a question. I have currently connected to electronic smart. Let's take this process like if I want to track the order, I can send here a message where once a message is submitted, this this particular message is submitted, the system receives a request through the backend. The supervisor analyzes the query. The intent is identified as a billing related agent or any agent. Because the answer may depend on company's refund policy or anything. These are the package, like this is a particular tracking ID I have generated it right now. It will give you a proper response whether you want help with anything or not. I'll go through another response like I want a refund. I want a refund on my like I take this. I want to return an order. Return an order of the item name Acer Safeco 14, which I have bought from your store 1 week ago. 1 week ago. When I create a response, the FAQ agent analyzes a response and it also certainly gives you the particular message. Like here, it gives it it's certainly unopened items. You can return any unopened item within 7 days of happening. Since you bought 1 week ago, please make sure it is still unopened. Like if there is any defective item, it gives all the responses that related to the refund policy or return policy. Then next is the complaint. These are the particular complaints, the technologies, the tech stack. Here, for the content, I use React, TypeScript, Tailwind, Framework Motion, React, and Tanstack query. For the backend, I use Python, Fast API. For AI orchestration, I use LangChain models, which Gemini provides a language model interface. And next, FISS and BG embeddings provide the vector-based RAG pipeline. For the WebSockets, provide real-time streaming, and JWT provides authentication. And Docker and GitHub Actions support deployment and continuous integration of the project. Here are the results. Here you can, as you can see, the knowledge base. Here how the shipping tracks are done through this. You can ask AI about this directly. What are the support hours? Here as you can see here here is the query management goes to the process like that. Here you can raise the tickets of what if the problem is not solved by AI. Here the AI directly creates a ticket where it tries to solve the problem by taking into a verification number manually through number two human verification. Yeah, these are the analytics of the dashboard. The responses, the fast responses, technical diagnostics, and average resolution time, autonomous rate, customer CSAT, inputting precision, and all the things. Here are the customers. Here this is the data which I have created right now. This is the dashboard. The total conversations and alerts and average response time according to the billing agent or some any AI agent. Here, as you can see, the live insights of OS, the decision engine conference, recent orders, 7-day research policy. Here is a sidebar which I've created for automation and all the things. This is an automation engine where it provides extra workflow runs, running systems, and all the things. Escalation trigger, SLA dispatcher, CSCD satisfactory survey, and all the things. In future, I want to implement a roadmap slide like this. First is a multilingual support, including languages such as Hindi, Spanish, and French. The second is on work on voice implementation. Here, I've created a phase where I have created a voice implementation. For now, it is not working properly. It is taking a mock response, but in future, I'll upgrade to voice recognition, speech to text, use such as whisper or something, using voice modules and all the things. I wanted to increase the domain also wants to make the model upgrade the model using RAG based systems. Like if for enterprise SaaS development or multi-tenant isolation or role-based access control and all things. To conclude this to conclude this system receives a customer support, understands the intent, evaluates the routing confidence as a specialized agent or something like that, generates a response using Gemini model, and streams that response back to the customer in real time. That's it. Thank you.